co-founder of BBQ Battle. The first event started in 2019 down at Strand Park. 2021 we were back here. We went to Melville's for 2 years, 2023 and 2024, but this year back at Strand Park again. BBQ Battle exists for 4 reasons. The first one is to promote barbecue. The second is to help promote mental health awareness. Third one, we want to provide a family-friendly event. And lastly, we want to help promote beautiful Queensland, from Central to now North Queensland, far North Queensland. This year we've got 4 events. So we started at Hewenden, we're here now in Townsville, we're doing a second one in Townsville, and then we're up to Cairns for our first inaugural event in October. Very exciting.
The beach and the Cowboys.
The weather.
The weather.
The weather's
so
great.
British.
Yeah, I wouldn't move anywhere else.
Strand has so many places to go.
Yeah, great events. Food's great. Pulled pork sandwiches.
It's the best.
The best.
It's warmer than Sydney. Dry.
The tree.
Especially when there's like activities like this everywhere.
Events and stuff. Yeah, perfect. Love it. Why do you love Townsville?
It's foot golf, it's a lot of fun.
What do we love about it?
Sunshine.
Sunshine, the views of the Strand are fantastic, and we get to have events like this in a beautiful location.
The weather. The beach.
That's what I love about Townsville, the weather. Weather, people, lifestyle.
Beer.
Barbecue. Yeah.
The weather!
Outdoor life.
They're big days.
I love most things about Townsville, but I reckon the Battle of the Barbecue is up there with the best of them.